Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions. Coming back to you from Lake Elmo at Cedar Grove Farm. And just finishing up the top run of tension line for this fence before I start hanging the fence and rolling the fence out. But I'm going to turn you around and show you where we're at, and then set the camera down and kind of follow me along. I'm starting. Okay, I'm going to turn you around so you can see. But you got all these rings at the top, and you can see the cable, or it's nylon line. It's real heavy duty line, but I have my roll going through here. I'm gonna attach it to here before I tighten it, but it's just going through there for now. And we're gonna go all the way down to that corner and attach, and then we're gonna tighten it up. But I'm gonna set the camera down in the middle of the garden here, and so you can see, be able to see me go through the whole thing. So there's down there. I don't know if it will. I might have to change it, but let's see if it captures any funny stuff. But anyway, here we go. We're over here. We're going to move the camera over this way, and I'm going to end up in this corner right here. So I'm going to bring the camera down there, and then I'm going to show you how you end this line and crimp it off. And I'm going to set you right here. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to tie it off. Well, I'm going to end the run right here, and I'll show you. Basically what I'm going to be using is a fitting. I will show you how. I'll just bring you with me. See if I can do this. All right. So let me try to do this one-handed and not lose it. All right. Let's get over to this end. All right. Let me get my crimper. All right. All right. I'm going to try to set this camera down on my ladder on the tripod here. We'll see how we can do it. Here we go. Right there. All right. So we're coming through here. Actually, we gotta. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Camera down. Camera down. Fell off the ladder. All right. Hopefully that's a little better. Let's try again. But we take the one end and we slide it through like that. Now we go through and then we bring it through the other end here. And sometimes they can be a pain in the rump to get through there. And it just so happens this is the one. And that figures, huh? All right, we're gonna get a different one. No, I don't want to come off. There we go. What do they call that? I can't remember the name. There we got it through. Now let's see if we can finish this off here. There we go. Let's tighten that up. And now, since my crimper fell, we gotta get that. Now, we are going to crimp. This is an 8-foot high fence. And here we go. Crimp. Right there. And just like that, we are connected. And now I will go back to the other side, the last corner where I started, and I will do the exact same thing there. And then I have another tool. I will show you how I tighten this line up and get it so it's nice and tight. And then it makes this fence more solid. And let's say one of these trees falls, these tension lines will hold the fence up, keep it from falling. Or that's what they say anyway. But anyway, that is adding the tension line to the top of the fence. And then I have to do the front side here. And then it's time to hang the fence, and we'll just